Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This time we're gonna do a little something different, and we're gonna do hair. So today's video is not sponsored, but is brought to you by Tinashe, and it is you can find them on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, or you can order them from AliExpress, which is where I got mine. It is a 100% unprocessed human hair, and the hair feels really nice and soft. I have 4 bundles, 26, 24, 22, and 20. And today I'm getting a natural leave out sew-in, and so my hair is a bit lighter. It's been dyed, and so it's like a light brown, and which I used L'Oreal's High Color Ash Blonde on my hair. So right now we're going to try to get this hair to match mine, and these are the products that I'm using, which is the L'Oreal Quick Blue, the Salon Care 30 volume developer. This is my neutralizing shampoo, my gloves, and this is a container that I'm going to use to do 1 or 2 of the bundles. And I already have 1 container already mixed and ready to go. So this is the hair, guys, and just keep on watching if you want to see the results.
I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
Truth is, I just wanna truth is, I just wanna Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Yeah. Some people wanna tell you what they want you to do, but I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma take and push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma take and push through you. I'ma take and push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be, from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no. You cannot hold up my rocket from going where it's gonna go.
I'ma take and push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma take and push through you. I'ma take and push through you. Oh, I'ma take and push through you. I'ma take and push through you. I'ma take and push through you. If you let go of me, push through. You can let go of me, let go of me.
You must be a state of your mind, so they that know.
process all your negativity. If you have to